Very good evening, friends. This night, Rahul Magan here is a Group Chief Executive Officer, Treasury Consulting, and also a venture capitalist. Standing on 29th May 2021, I would be covering a very important topic on behalf of our crypto learning and trading desk, which is about cryptocurrencies. But before I speak, let me reaffirm you that our cryptocurrency trading desk is a closed end desk, which means it's a prop desk, which means that no outsider whosoever is allowed enter into the desk, while the cryptocurrency learning desk is open one. Anyone can come and learn from it, and it is running from the last 6 to 7 months, where we train people how to enter into cryptocurrency, the trainings, and a lot of things actually. If you wish to have any information, you can personally WhatsApp me, which is +91 9899242978, or you can WhatsApp on our back office 9818485155. In every market of the globe, whether this is capital market, FMCG, power sector, cryptocurrency, political markets, we have influencers. In the words of digital marketing, we call them as digital influencers. In crypto, it is known as the crypto influencer, and I should not tell you that to whom I am talking about. The man who every day write tweets, sometimes he writes about doggy, sometimes he writes about Bitcoin, sometimes he claims that he had a word with the crypto miners in North America, sometimes he's claimed that the Tesla is now accepting the Bitcoin, sometimes he claimed that Tesla is not accepting Bitcoin, sometimes he say I sold my Bitcoin. Sometimes he say I not sold my Bitcoin. So every day a fresh tweet is coming. So it is next to impossible for anyone and except this person to know that which tweet is about to come. As we speak, 29th May 2021, which is definitely a Saturday, followed by 30th May, which is Sunday. As markets closed on Friday, which is 28th May, the Bitcoin was around 36,000, Ether is around 2,700, BCH is around 680, XRP closer to 1, and so on and so forth. As we speak, 24 hours after that, the market is more or less the same. But that doesn't mean the panic in the crypto market is over. The panic in the crypto market is not yet over. Now there are two kind of reports which are coming in the market. Number one is that institutional investors are selling their positions and they are covering this with the gold. In fact, in Bloomberg also, I read an article whereby somebody forcibly trying to have a correlation between Bitcoin and gold. I really don't see that there is any correlation between Bitcoin and gold. By the way, as we speak, the Federal Reserve came up with an idea, and that is the digital USD. During summers in United States, Federal Reserve would be launching a paper. In this paper, they would be taking opinions or giving their views about how the digital USD would be. Definitely, this is a kind of comment paper, and Treasury Consulting would definitely be commenting and giving its recommendation to the Federal Reserve. It is up to Federal Reserve whether they would be accepting this or not. Anyways, but one thing which is very clear and one thing which we really need to understand is that institutional investors sold almost 1 trillion plus, which means that the market wipeout is around 1 trillion. This is as per Bloomberg and various articles we have on the Google, by the way. Many articles even claim that the loss in the market is more than 1 trillion, and many claim it is 700 billion. So figures are between 700 billion to more than 1 trillion. I believe that the loss is more than 1 trillion. Actual figure is not coming because in majority of the cases, Bitcoin is held by the people who never disclose their positions. That's a separate thing that Mr. Joe Biden, the President of the United States, is now asking IRS. IRS is Internal Revenue Department, which is nothing but the tax department of the US, that you need to disclose all Bitcoin holding more than 10K. By the way, it is not yet finalized. It is just a kind of proposal the Joe Biden is putting. Now, the biggest issue before the cryptocurrency, whether the institutional investors would continue to sell, I don't know. If yes, would they be replacing with the gold? If yes, there are zillions of articles we have on the Google who does claim that there is a relationship between gold and Bitcoin, but I really don't think there is a single cent relationship between gold and Bitcoin. Bitcoin and gold cannot have a relationship until otherwise the central banks of the globe, example, the European Central Bank, example, the Federal Reserve, they accept Bitcoin. And by the way, China is now also going against Bitcoin. We recently saw a notification by the China where they instructed their payment companies, big payment companies, not to accept Bitcoin, the product which they are selling. And logic is very clear. The logic is that China is now having a digital yuan. It's a sheer conflict of interest, because if China promote Bitcoin, then digital yuan go down. If China do not promote Bitcoin, then digital yuan will go up. So it's a conflict of interest, and China is very clear that they would be going ahead with digital yuan than this. So, and there are reports that European Central Bank is also coming up with their own cryptocurrency, and US, I told you. But by the way, these all are long-term implications, because having your own cryptocurrency is not an easy job. There are many who claim that it's an easy job. It is definitely not an easy job, by the way. So we really need to understand one thing, and we need to, all the cryptocurrency traders need to understand that apart from the mess or the hype which is created about the energy consumption, by the way, guys, energy consumption of the Bitcoin was there even when it was launched. Somewhere 2004, many articles claim. Somewhere in 2004, when it launched, the Bitcoin consumption, the energy consumption was there. So there are a lot of articles which are coming on the internet which does claim that now Ether would be 99% lesser versus it is today. Come on. Okay, I'm not saying it cannot be, but it needs time, guys. Don't expect Ether to be 99% eco-friendly in less than 1 month. Maybe it takes some time. So cryptocurrency investors need to understand that they need to decide whether they are going to be holding the positions or they are not going to be holding the positions. They need to review all the articles which is on the Google. Our hedge fund desk is very clear about our positions. We have made our mind. But Mr. Hype will definitely either writing a tweet, or he already wrote the tweet about Bitcoin. And I'm sure that every passing day, he is continuously writing the tweets on the Bitcoin, so that the damage which is already done in the system, amounting 1 trillion plus, can be resolved. That's very important. And this is something which I wanted to convey. Damage is more than 1 trillion. And it would be very interesting to see when the Federal Reserve would be coming up with their own version of Bitcoin. Very interesting to see, because Federal Reserve is now the 4th central bank. By the way, many central banks of Asia came forward and said we're going to have our own version. The first, it was Singapore, failed. Then many central banks, they also failed. Then European Central Bank, they are in discussion. Federal Reserve just started. People Bank of China, in China, they just launched it and they are successful. It would be really interesting to see how the things would shape up. This is Rahul from Treasury Consulting Group. My personal number is +91 9899 242 978. Have a great time ahead.